Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today I have another Your Creative Studio unboxing to share with you. If you've never seen one of these unboxings before or heard of Your Creative Studio, it is a monthly subscription box filled with vintage themed stationery supplies and goodies for journaling, planning, junk journaling, that sort of thing. Amanda from Your Creative Studio went ahead and sent me the June box to show you guys. And this box is currently sold out, but it will give you an idea of what kinds of things you can expect in her monthly subscription boxes. I have other Your Creative Studio unboxing videos as well. If you want to check those out, I'll link them down below for you guys, as well as her shop. And I do want to mention that her boxes sell out pretty quickly because they are very popular among the journaling community. So if you want to snag a box, make sure you go to her website well in advance. You can order one box if you want to try it out, but you do get a little bit of a discount if you order more than one box. So let's go ahead and get into this box. I haven't opened it yet. I always get excited to see what theme she put together. It's always like a fun little surprise. Last month was like a vintage rose theme, which was absolutely stunning. So let's go ahead and open it up. So here is what the inside of the box looks like. It just has her little studio name sticker up here, and then it comes with a little thank you card. So I'm also going to use this as like a piece of ephemera in my journals. I think that would be really cute. And she always uses this really beautiful vintage paper to package everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and just move the box aside. And I save the paper as well because it's so beautiful. And I think what I'm gonna do for this video is actually not just the unboxing, but I'm gonna show you guys a quick little journaling spread using some of the items in this box at the end. All right, so we have some sticky notes. I love different like memo pads and sticky notes to use in my journals. I like to use them for like labels or a journaling spot. Then we have, it looks like a little book with some images of coffee in it. Tea time or tea. Tea and coffee or just tea? I think it's just tea. Okay, so that's cute. Ooh, what is this? It looks like a locket. Okay. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay. I think it's a locket or a watch. What is it? Oh my gosh, it's a little clock. That's super cute. Okay, so we got that. We have some memo cards or a little memo book. So they're all the same. You just tear it off and then use that. That's super cute. It looks like there's a stamp in here. And I save the little envelopes and everything, all the packaging, because I can also use that in my like junk journals. So I like to save those as well. So we have a dragonfly and then another stamp. Looks like. Oh, this one's pretty big. Oh, I like that one. And I'll use these in my journaling spread that I do at the end of the video as well, so you guys can see how they look. But we have a couple of dragonfly stamps. So I'm pretty sure that's the theme of this box, is dragonflies. Okay, what else do we have? Ooh. We have some more memo cards or memo notebook. Oh, I love that. That's beautiful. So I would use this as a spot to journal, like in my junk journals, just because it has like this big blank space. Okay, so there's more than one type in here. Oh my gosh, that's a Gone with the Wind image. Okay, I love that. Okay, so it's Scarlett O'Hara. Oh, it says that right on the top. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I love this, you guys. I'm obsessed with Gone with the Wind. Okay, that's awesome. Love that. Then it looks like these are some stickers. Let's go ahead and open that up. It's like a bunch of different kinds of stickers. Okay, so these are nice and big. Again, I would use these as a spot to journal on just because they have the lines and this big open space. Some maps here. So those are the large stickers. I have some of these. And some little stickers. Cute. We have a washi tape. Let's see what that is. I have a feeling it's going to be a dragonfly washi. Yep, okay. All right, so here is what this washi looks like. Super cute. Okay. Oh, these are little envelopes. It looks like. Oh, those are cute. So you get a bunch of these vintage looking airmail envelopes. It's got those, some dragonfly stickers, and these are by Your Creative Studio. Every box, she does like an exclusive sticker. So we have some dragonflies, and it looks like a bunch of beautiful vellum papers with dragonflies on them. How many do you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sheets of 6x6 vellum. So cute. So now that I've shown you guys everything in the box, I'm going to go ahead and get out my junk journal, and then I'm going to do a quick little spread to show you guys how I use the things that I get in the subscription boxes. All right, so now that I've showed you guys what came in the subscription box, I'm going to do a journaling spread, and I think for this video, I'm going to do kind of like a speed through, or maybe put some music over, just because my creative process can take a while sometimes, and I don't want this video to be super long. But what I'm going to be journaling about is actually my kids' last day of school. So I have some photos of them, and then Father's Day, and I printed these photos out on my Canon SELPHY. I love this because I can just print photos directly from my phone and do like little collages like this on a 4x6 piece of photo paper. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested in checking that out. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be journaling about for this 2-page spread. And I quickly wanted to mention, I think this is, yeah, so this is the packaging from a previous Your Creative Studio box. So I just saved the packaging, then I put some dried pressed flowers on top of it and then laminated it. So I like to save all the little packaging from these boxes that I get. And I'll probably put some more dried flowers in some other packaging, maybe the packaging, maybe in this one would look good for some dried flowers. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and play some music, probably put this video up in double time so you guys can see kind of how I use these supplies. All right, guys, so here is my finished journaling spread, and I tried to use as many of the items that came in that subscription box as possible. As you can see, there's no room left, which is what I like. I don't really like blank spots on my journaling spread, and I used a ton of that washi tape to kind of enclose these pressed flowers on a piece of the packaging on the envelope. But I think what I'm going to do is go back and actually take this out and then sew around the packaging just to keep it in there. I was just trying to hurry, but this is one way I like to use washi and little envelopes and packaging, is just make little fold outs like this. So my kids I have on each side of this one, and then I can go back and put little mementos in here later. And then I just journaled again about Father's Day. So I journaled about it up here. My husband took some surfing lessons for Father's Day, and then we stopped at a diner on the way back from his surfing lesson. So that was that photo. And then I was journaling about my kids' last day of school, and I typically don't like to share too much of my, like, what I journal about in my journals, just because it's kind of like my personal diary. But my son's last day of school was pretty hard for me because it was the last time I would take him and pick him up from school. He decided he wants to go live with his dad, and we co-parent from other states. So my son will be coming home during the summertime and school breaks. So I just kind of put a little Bible verse from Psalms right here, and then I kind of journaled about how it was a bittersweet day for me because, again, it was the last time I would be taking him and picking him up from school, but I'm also happy for him because my children's happiness is one of the most important things to me as a mom. So I kind of journaled about that. But yeah, that's it for this unboxing and journaling, or journal with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to go check out Amanda's shop. I will leave it linked down below, and snag a box because they do, again, sell out very quickly. And until my next video, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.